Hey guys, now I know a lot of you have posted the question to me and in our chats and below the videos and stuff, why haven't I gotten any skip orders that last week, this week? I don't know the answer to that. Video over. No, I'm kidding. I don't know the answer to that, but I have some thoughts about it and I have a possible solution for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for my solution that I think I just found out tonight. So my thoughts on the whole thing. I think what's happening is Skip the Dishes is reducing the number of shifts. Obviously, that seems to be the reason why nobody has any shifts. I don't know why some of you guys are getting 0 shifts. I'm still getting 6 shifts a week, whatever the other people are getting. I don't know the answer to that, but I know that they have definitely reduced the number of shifts. But basically when the schedule comes out, at least for Calgary anyways, when the schedule comes out, I log into the app and there is not a single shift available. If there is, it might be 1 or 2 like middle of the night kind of shifts. But there is basically 0 shifts left over, 0 shifts available. Now the thing is, my past month, I've been busier this past month than I was all of January, all of February, all of March. So I think what's happening is they've reduced the number of shifts and they're giving more shift extensions. Because I've gotten way more shift extensions. Almost every single shift I do now, there's always a shift extension available. So that's my thinking behind it all. Now, here's the possible solution to you guys. So tonight I had no shifts, no skip shifts, no DoorDash shifts, nothing. And now DoorDash is easy because you can just log on to the app, and as long as it's busy, you can just check in. You can also schedule a dash or a shift for a certain period as long as it's available. So it's a lot easier to get a shift, but DoorDash is way less busy. So I logged into DoorDash tonight. My shift was from 5:30 to 8:30, and I ended up working 5:30 to 8. So that's 2.5 hours. So at 6:30, I had already done 2 deliveries with DoorDash, and I just decided to open the app. And basically what I did was I just clicked open the Skip app, and you guys that drive for Skip, you'll understand this. So when you drive for Skip and you don't have a shift, so you can see there my tomorrow shift, but when you don't have a shift or anything, you can just check in. Now when you check in, what happens is, oh, there you go. So see, you're checked in. If there are extra orders, we'll contact you first. This is what happened earlier. So you can start a shift, higher opportunity, Calgary Central West. End time, pick your end time, 11 o'clock, accept shift. There you go. So great solution for you guys. And I'm glad this popped up because earlier when I was this is take number 2 of this video. Earlier when I was trying to film this, that start shift didn't pop up. So if it's busy, the shifts are going to be there. If it's not busy, you just check in and it says if you're checked in, we'll contact you first for extra orders, right? If there's any extra orders. So guys, if you don't have any shifts and you want to drive 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, check in and there's a real good chance that you're going to have a shift available. Hopefully this works out for you guys. Hopefully it's a decent solution. I've never seen this happen before. So it's a really decent option if you're not getting any shifts. So guys, if the other option is you can sign up for DoorDash as well too. That's what I'm doing, but I'll tell you, DoorDash, I might get 3 orders to every 10 skip orders. There's way less DoorDash orders, at least in my area here. So if you are going to sign up for DoorDash, guys, send me an email below and I can send you a link to sign up for DoorDash, or if you've already started the process, I can give you my phone number, but contact me below for that. And once you complete 200 deliveries, I get paid $100, you get paid $50. If you're going to sign up for Skip the Dishes, use my email below as your referral code, or who referred you, and I get paid $25 and you get paid $25. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helps you. Hopefully that solution helps you. I was completely blown away tonight by this, and I actually had a really good night tonight, even though I had nothing scheduled. So made $27.56 tonight with Skip in 1.5 hours. So it was good. Glad I logged in. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, post them below and I'll do my best to answer them. We'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.